Goodbye, Holiday Inn. Yeah, we're out of here. It's our last leg. Be 4 hours to Nashville. We're here in Jonesboro, Arkansas. Let's hit it. Hello and good morning. We're out of here. 1,180 miles, 434 kilowatt hours at a rate of 368. We're heading over to get a Scottish breakfast this morning because we're all too cheap, and it's right on the way. We got to get our dose of McDonald's here in the morning. It is what time? 6:50 a.m.
Now turn right onto Phillips Drive.
Some, I don't know, I suspect. Which way? Right on Phillips. All right, here we go. We are off. Look at the window. How clean that is. Who did that?
Good start.
And a Scottish breakfast for us. We are headed out of town. We've got our Scottish breakfast and headed due east right now. And then we're going to curve up northeast up to the Kennett area and then over the Mississippi and around, hook around to Jackson, Tennessee Supercharger. So that's our run today. From there, we head to Nashville. Yeah, we just had our Scottish breakfast. Greg's still having his, my wife had hers, and guess what? Autopilot's been driving the last 15 minutes here while we're eating. How cool is that? It knows where it's going, it knows how to drive, and we leisurely enjoyed our meal. There's our trash. Yeah, pretty cool, huh? Let's have a look around on our way to Kennett. Sun's not up yet, but it's getting there. Sun's up now, and we're getting close to Kennett, and Kennett allows us to cross over the Mississippi River up here. Here's a fun fact. Those are cotton bales. Look at that. Yep, all cotton. Yeah, this must be the cotton belt. Look at all the cotton. Look. Yeah, there's some pink bales and blue bales, and I don't know what that means, but it's kind of cool. These are probably 5 to 6 feet in diameter. They're pretty good size. We're just talking, Greg and I. This is an unpicked field. You can see just how white it is. And if I look over here on the left, that is a pick field. Yeah, they're not going to get all of it. So that's picked. And over there is unpicked. See how white it is? And this is picked. And again, this is unpicked. So that's our analysis of cotton here. We're just into the township of Kennett. Yeah, more unpicked. All right, well, navigation's taking us right through town here in Kennett to get us up on the highway to line us up. Let's have a look out the window here, see what's going on. Looks like a little older town here. And yes, we're still on autopilot. We need 360 vision. Hey, Carrie's Bakery.
In 500 feet, your destination will be on the left.
Bakery. Kind of cool.
Closed up.
All right, so this appears to be downtown-ish.
Now your destination is on the left.
Yeah, well, we're going to turn right because that's where we're going to go. Where do you think you're going? All right, we're going to continue with this part now. Jeez, okay, here we go. Now we're going to go right.
Now turn right onto First Street.
Let's turn right, let's see. Oh, we can't go. Here we go. All right. Hey, look at this, First Street. How cool is this?
Now turn right onto Slicer Street.
No, cancel that out. There we go. Now we're good.
It's Old Town.
Yep. And which way is this thing we need to go? How about this? Yeah, pretty cool. All right, well, we're gonna go through town here and select our next navigation spot. All right, the navigation is continued. We're headed to the Jackson Supercharger, but we're now out of town, so that's fine. We're working our way towards Mississippi, right into the sun on autopilot. All right, here we are. We're getting close to our crossing of the Mississippi River right here. It's hard to see, I'm sorry. Anyway, we're getting there. We'll be crossing over here in probably 4 miles. We're finally here, gonna cross the Mississippi River. Slow down a little bit here. We don't waste our time. This is a relatively new bridge. I think it's still riveted, but I can't tell. At least the approach is relatively new. We look over here on the left, there is the Mississippi. And look over on the right. Oh, look, it's the Mississippi too. Here's our bridge. Kind of cool. And yes, it is riveted. I think it's probably original. Can't swear to it. And guess what? We're going to be right in Tennessee right now. Welcome to Tennessee. We go over the Mississippi here. And now we start our downward trek. And that puts us in the lowland here. A lot of farming, stuff like that. Well, there you go. Just went over the Mississippi River. If there's any doubts, yes, we are in Tennessee. We're just about ready to head south here on Highway 412. That'll take us right into Jackson, where the supercharger is at the Casey Jones Museum. It's kind of cool if you haven't been there. We're now on Highway 412, headed south-southeast, directly to Jackson, Tennessee. We've
Now your
arrived.
destination is on the right.
Oh, it is. We've arrived. Let's see. Yep, we are. It's all right. Dave doesn't run into the thing. We are good. Yes, I understand. I got it. All right, let's see what we got. Reflections is what we got. And that's the way it goes. All right, look at that. 1,323 miles, 508 kilowatt hours at a rate of 384. And we arrived with a whopping 23%. Let's get charged. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. This is a cool store and a place to eat if you're here at Jackson, Tennessee. I am here in Jackson, Tennessee at the 24 stall supercharger. It's version 3. Used to be only the legacy V2s over there, but now it's version 3. Makes it easy to pull in. It's a fun place to come. You can go to the old country store and restaurant and shop and eat. It's pretty cool. And right behind me is the Casey Jones Museum. Yeah, you remember Casey Jones? It's real. His engine is in the back and you can see all that stuff. All right, well, we're charged, waiting for my wife to come out of the store, and we're on our last leg to Nashville. We're back on Interstate 40 now, headed to the east. Next stop will be Nashville, 131 miles. Just made it to West Nashville. Got a little ways to go, but we're almost home. I think we found the traffic here. We're merging over onto 8065, whatever it is. We're on autopilot. Got to get over up here a ways, so we'll see how it all goes here. Everybody's all in an all-fired hurry here. Like this jerk. Oh yeah. Big old hurry there, Tiguan. This guy wants to get over. Alright, we'll let him over here. Come on, buddy. Come on, let's go. Get your fanny over. He was nice enough to put his blinker on. Well, come on, let's go. What are we doing? We go. Now let's see if he gives us a high sign here.
Should.
Oh, how nice is that? That's one professional truck driver.
Yeah, you would have expected that.
You let the guy in and he doesn't flash his lights.
Well,
how nice. Jeez Louise. Oh well. Alright, well anyway, here we go. We're going back in autopilot and let it do its thing here.
Looks like we hook around and stay to the right here.
Yeah. We're back in autopilot, and we get on down here. There goes the mad trucker. Big old hurry. I have a little patience when you drive around here, I think.
You think he'd be stupid?
No, you'd think so. Alright, so we need to get our fanny over, and it looks like we're clear to do that. Autopilot thinks we are. Come on, take 2. You got it, because we got to get to it. There we go. Come on. There we go. Yep, autopilot's got it. I don't know. Yep, I guess we got to get over
In
here now,
1,000
too.
feet, take exit 87 on the right onto Trinity Lane.
Trinity Lane. Yeah, I've been to the Trinity test site, actually. Well, autopilot did an admirable job, minus the jerks. as we make our way through the city streets of Nashville. I'll pick you up when we get there. We've made it to Nashville, 1,455 miles. We used up 572 kilowatt hours of energy at an average rate of 393. We arrived here in Nashville with 17%. Anyway, it was pretty good. We've got a few days here and we're off to Atlanta Hamfest, believe it or not. So stay tuned. If you like today's video, give me a like. Also, pass it on to your friend. Don't forget my referral link for somebody that wants to buy a Tesla. Gets them $1,000 discount. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you in the upcoming videos and take care.